Today we're going to be taking a look at how to create forms within Jira and how to link them to request types. So the first things first, you want to open up any project, scroll down to project settings, open forms, and here it will show a list of all your current forms and will present you with the create form option. So we'll go ahead and click that. And here you'll probably get a short tutorial about how the forms page works, but you're immediately presented the templates on the right side of the page and all 329 currently available in the US. There are so many different kinds of templates ranging from HR to finance to events, so you can look through these and decide what may fit best for you. Additionally though, you can just go ahead and create your own. So we'll go ahead and do that just as an example. We can add a long text field here, and let's say I wanted to say fix versions. So here I can have fix versions. I can name the form up here. So we can change this to, let's just say versions for now. And now when we save the changes to the form, the user will be able to fill out the fixed versions. Another thing you can do is link this field to a custom field in Jira. So we can add any of the text fields. I added long text. You type fixed version. We'll go ahead and find fixed versions from our available Jira fields. It'll say it's going to change the field type because the field or the fixed version in the custom fields is multiple choice and not long text. So we'll go ahead and hit change type. And now it's linked to the fixed version custom field within Jira. So we'll go ahead and save changes to that. We can go back to the forms page and you'll see the versions form that is created right here. We can go back into versions now, go into the settings and hit request form. Customers will fill out this form when they raise a new request from the portal. So we can turn this on. It'll have a list of current request types and what you can add this form to. So if I want to add this form to other questions, for instance, I will just select other questions and hit save changes. Now we can go back to the project. We can open up channels and click on Help Center. Once this loads, we can go into other requests, other questions, and you'll see that our fixed versions form is at the bottom underneath the current request type. And since it is linked to a custom field, when we hit select, it will show the options that fixed version currently has available.